How to get the boarding pass for your flight while using American Airlines of official application here on your mobile device. How you can simply web check in and get your boarding pass on your phone. Let's start this video. For this, I'm going to show you official steps from the American Airlines website here. This is a support center. Once you get your onboarding pass, just scan the barcode on the screen at airport and then you will get your boarding pass. Now, how to get your mobile boarding pass here on your phone? Check in aa.com and choose email with mobile option. You can also check in from their application and your mobile boarding pass will be stored on your mobile. You can do it from the website also, so that's why I'm showing you on the website. Second step is check your email from your mobile device and follow the link to get your mobile boarding pass. Save the boarding pass to your device for easy access at security and when you are board. Now make sure that entire barcode is visible on the screen when you show it at the security. This is how you can do it. It's quite simple. Thank you so much for watching the video.